Let's make garlic palak mushroom or Lehsuni palak mushroom today. Firstly, let's blanch the palak. Here I have kept some water for boiling and I will add some salt to it and some sugar as well, and add the palak leaves to it. I have taken one big bunch of palak here. I have also used the stem part of the palak. Mix it all well in the water and let it cook for around 1 minute. Then switch off the flame and put the palak in some room temperature water. This is regular tap water to ensure that the cooking process of the palak is stopped. This helps in maintaining the vibrant green color of the palak. Once the palak is completely cooled, make a smooth paste out of it. Let's move on to making the recipe. In some oil or ghee, add in a teaspoon of jeera and around 12 to 15 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Now fry the garlic till it slightly changes color. Next I will add in one large onion finely chopped. Fry the onions till they turn translucent. Next add in the palak paste here. If you have to add tomatoes or tomato puree, add it after the onions turn translucent and cook them well. I am not going to add any tomatoes. I will be adding some tamarind water later. The most important step is that you need to cook this palak paste for at least 12 to 15 minutes or till the oil separates from the gravy. You can cover and cook it so that it doesn't get splattered all over. After 7 to 8 minutes, I'll be adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of Sambar Masala Powder here. You can also add a combination of red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder, but I like to add the Sambar Masala Powder as it is a mix of all these spices. This is homemade Sambar Masala Powder that is very aromatic. I'll link the recipe in the I button above and in the description section below. Again, mix it all well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. When you see that the oil has separated from the gravy, I'll be adding some tamarind water. I had taken a small lime-sized piece of tamarind and squeezed it nicely in some tap water and adding it here. If you choose to add tomatoes, then skip this step. There is no right or wrong in cooking. It's all about preparing something delicious with whatever ingredients you have in hand. Cooking is a creative space. There are no rigid rules. Have fun and enjoy the process. Add the chopped mushrooms. Mix it well. Check for salt and add more if required. I am also going to add a pinch of sugar here just to balance the tartness from the tamarind. Mix it well and cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes till the mushroom gets cooked completely. In the end, when the mushrooms are all cooked and oil is separated from the gravy, crush a teaspoon of Kasoori Methi in between your palms and add it to the gravy. You can also warm up the Kasoori Methi slightly before adding it. And then the Lehsuni palak mushroom is ready to be savoured with delight. It tastes super delicious, especially for those who do not like the taste of green leafy vegetables. This recipe is a must try. You will fall in love with it. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.